Wow, it's 2020. Today is January 2nd. I didn't make a video right before New Year's. I didn't make videos since, well, I think it was last Thursday maybe. I was just swamped with some computer work that I had to do for, I am newsletter editor for 3 different organizations, and 2 of them, well, one of them produces something every month, and that's actually the easiest one, is for the Eagles, Airy number 28. And it's not online or anything, it's just, I make the newsletter and I send it to them and they print it out and have it available at the lodge. Okay, then I do a newsletter called The Powerhouse for my Toastmasters district, and that's every month, and that's fairly intense. Usually runs around 16 pages. This month it was 20 pages. And this month everyone waited because of Christmas, everyone waited till the last minute to give me what I needed. So that was a crunch, and it has to be perfect. Okay, the other one was my Oregon Hunter Education Instructors Association, more better known in our circles as OHEIA. And we do I'm the secretary, so I'm in charge of their newsletter, and it comes out quarterly, so I do 4 times a year. It comes out January 1st, April 1st, July 1st, and October 1st. Where's it? July, September, October. So, I don't know. Whenever 3 months is, I think it's October 1st. So I got those all done, and right in the middle of needing to get those done, we had a 95th birthday party of a cousin on my husband's side that we wanted to go to, and it was in the big town of Seattle. So we went to Seattle for the weekend, and so we had fun. We wound up in the Space Needle, and then we had a really good time visiting with relatives that we rarely see, and looking through old photo albums and trying to figure out who's in the pictures and telling stories about different people in the family, and it was good. Anyway, that, and I got my newsletters all done, and the one for the Eagles got sent off to the people that take care of it once I do it. The other 2 I scheduled to send out on MailChimp. I have 2 different MailChimp accounts, for specifically one for the Toastmasters District 9, one for OHEIA. And so I got everything all proofread by the people who proofread them for me, and everything all into the MailChimp. And schedule, one thing I like about MailChimp, once you get it all in there, you can schedule when you want it to actually send out. So I had both of those send out in the wee hours of the morning on New Year's Day. So that got all done. In years past, I have taken down Christmas decorations on January 1st while watching the Rose Parade. And then a few years, I have taken them all down, well, sometimes clear into February, but I was aiming for January 6th. Well, you see behind me, I still have a wreath that's up, and that'll stay up till the needles start falling off of it. But everything else is put away. I decided, well, my deciding factor was that we had all those lights outside. My hubby decided to take them all down on New Year's Day. I thought, he's taking all his down, I'll take mine down. So pretty much got everything down, and he bought me some new, I had everything stored in closets in a closet in cardboard boxes, and my husband bought me new plastic containers to put stuff in. It's nice because you can kind of see in there and see what's in the container before you dig it out and open it up. Anyway, did all I could, and then he had to go and get more containers this morning because I still have had a little bit. He bought me 2 more containers. So I have 5 containers altogether. They're big ones too. They're in the closet already, or I'd show you. The 5 containers of Christmas decorations. But I have it kind of organized. All the stuff that goes on the tree is in, all of it's together in one container, which will make it easier for finding when I go to do next year. And the box that we had the tree in was falling apart, and I wanted to keep the lights that we had put on the tree in that same box, and it was just all falling apart because I didn't know the tree's not that old. I don't know how old the tree is, 5 or 6 years maybe. Anyway, he also bought a big container to put a tree-sized container. I think it was 48 inches long. It seemed like it was humongous once we got it because it was way bigger than the box. The length was the same as the box I had been in, but it nicely fit all of the lights too, so that's good. And he maneuvered it into a different closet, so that's good. Anyway, so now I've got all of the Christmas, well, except for that wreath, which will stay up for a while. Wait a second. Let me zero in on it. There it is. And then over on the table, I realized I forgot to put the gingerbread house away. So I will need to find a small box of some sort to put it in. It's kind of, I have to be careful with it because it's just made out of gingerbread and icing. And it's like, I think I made it the year before last. So I think this was its 3rd Christmas, actually. But anyway, so Christmas is all gone. Oh, and I see I forgot to include this. So this is still up, but poinsettias still bloom, right? My poinsettias are all fake, so I put them in one of the boxes that I put away in the closet. And I wouldn't have mind having a real one so I could work on seeing if I could overwinter it. I've done that before. It's been a while though, and I've kept it for a while, a couple years. Anyway, I was going to walk over here, show you what else I did. Bananas that we let get way too ripe. I didn't even know if they'd be too ripe to make banana bread, but they weren't, and I made banana bread. And boy, does it smell good. I used Ellie's Good Food recipe, and her recipe. Turn the lights off. Her recipe called for chocolate drizzle over the top, but even though that sounded good, I thought I'll just do the plain old banana bread. The reason I used her recipe is because instead of using butter, they use yogurt, and I have plenty of yogurt because I make my own. Oh, and you'll probably notice the Christmas lights on the wall. They'll stay up all year. Oh, before long we'll unplug them so they don't come on. But they stay up all year. We don't. Once we replace, is if next November when we put everything back up again, if there's a string that has quit working or something, then we'll replace it. Other than that, they stay up all year, but we don't turn them on all year. We'll leave them on for a month or so more maybe, and then they'll get unplugged and they'll just stay up on the wall though. That's just That's just what we do. So, back in my grow room, I have some microgreens growing, and they're still pretty small, so nothing much to show you there. So that's about all that's going on. We were thinking about going to one of my husband's sisters, but she said they have a lot of snow, so we'll wait until the weather's better. And I think that's all I want to talk about today. A lot of you have been putting out videos with your goals for the year and what happened last year. If you want to know what happened last year in my life, just look at all my videos. If you go to my channel, you'll see them all there. You can find which ones you want to watch. Be sure and subscribe if you haven't done already. And thank you so much if you have. Hit the notification bell so you know when I do a new video. I try to do one once a week, or sometimes more than that. Anywhere from 1 to 3 or 4 or 5. Depends on how much time I have and what I have to say. And I usually do them on Sundays, but this last Sunday I didn't. I just had too much going on. So, hit the like button, share this video. That's the way more people get to subscribe and watch. And I'm hoping my channel grows. One of my goals this year is to keep improving my channel so that it'll grow. And I've been looking at my catalogs. I still haven't gotten my free Baker Creek catalog. And they said if I ordered something out of it last year, I should automatically get one. I ordered several times and I haven't got it yet. So, but I've gotten catalogs from several other places. Anyway, well, I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye. Happy New Year. May 2020 be the best year of your life. And may the good Lord richly bless you.